Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We have here a beautiful FXFBS. It is a Fat Bob, 114 cubic inch Milwaukee-Eight engine with the beveled heads. 4 spark plugs, 4 valves per cylinder, making that the M8. 8 valves total. We have an easily adjustable rear suspension knob here for the monoshock in the back. Adjusting the preload. We also have the exhaust all on the right hand side, adding the compression with those angles. It is the stock exhaust. We also have the forward mount pegs, passenger pegs, 2-up seat, Sissy bar, and they've added a fairing. And they've also switched, the previous owner also switched the mirrors. Wow, the mirrors upside down. Inverted forks are standard, and the Brembo brakes as well. Brembo brakes are on both sides, 2 in the front and 1 in the rear. Belt-driven final drive here with a derby cover signifying the cubic inches of the Milwaukee-Eight engine. And you also have 6 speeds in there. 6 speeds. Let's start her up. That's what you came here for. It does have a security fob. 1 fob, 2 keys. And it does have 836 miles. Very minimal display. That light roar from the stock exhaust, beautiful sound. Come on by for a test ride today. That's the only way you're going to know exactly what I'm talking about. It's a beautiful experience getting on 2 wheels. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment below on where you would go with this Fat Bob from 2022. Thank you so much.